Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to the unboxing and initial impressions review of the Xiaomi power bank, which is a 20,000 mAh power bank. So it just got released a couple of, I think 1 week back ago, and the price is about close to 3,499 rupees. So this is a 67 watts fast charger. And recently when the Realme also did release the power bank 20,000 mAh, but this is a 45 watts fast charger and this is a 67 watts fast charger. Let's see friends, what is the charging speed connect when you try to charge the POCO phones and the Redmi phones and the Realme phone. Everything I am going to test in this complete video. Okay, so we'll get a clear idea, is it worth of spending that much money on the power bank or not? That's what we'll get some kind of clarity as well. So it's a quick unboxing of the Mi power bank. As you can see, 67 watts power bank. Let me to open the seal. The price is about 3,499 rupees. This is the actual price. And by using this power bank, we can actually get the pretty good fast charging as well. And it's a quick unboxing review. So in the box, you do get the paper and it is the power bank itself, as you can see. Let me open the power bank. So this is a Xiaomi power bank 20,000 mAh and which came built-in cable as well. That's pretty good. So that's also pretty useful regarding the overall cable which has come built-in. And let me to compare with the Realme power bank. You can see the Realme power bank feels slightly kind of smaller than the Xiaomi power bank. You can definitely notice the difference, how compact it actually looks like the Realme power bank when you tend to compare with the Xiaomi's power bank. Definitely its difference is there. And first thing, let's notice the weight of the power bank, how much the difference is going to be there. So this is a 20,000 mAh, 409 grams is the weight for the Xiaomi power bank. Okay, let's compare with the Realme power bank, 353 grams. So there is some weight differences going on, even though both power banks are like 20,000 mAh power bank, like close to 60 grams, 50 to 60 grams difference is there. And let me to click the power button. There is 51% charge in this power bank right now, as you can see. That's pretty good, 51%. And now let's try to connect the mobile phones one by one and let's check the overall testing. Okay. So first I'm going to connect the POCO phone. Okay, let's try to connect the POCO phone and let's check what is the charging speed. So right now connected and we got straight away 600 watts displaying without taking much time, as you can see. So the POCO phones, Redmi phones, Xiaomi phones, if you're having those phones, definitely this is a kind of pretty quick fast charger you can actually consider. So let me to connect the device and now let me to check overall charging speed, how much it's showing in the watts. So let me to slightly zoom in. So right now you should be able to see exact wattage, what is the speed. It's showing 44, 50, 51, 53, 54, 55. So it went till 56 watt speed. Okay, as you can see, not bad. So with overall speeds, it did go up to 56 watts. That's pretty good speeds, I would say, in terms of the overall charging speed. And now what I'm going to connect with the Realme phone. Let's check in the Realme phone what happens if you try to connect with the Realme device. And this is a Realme smartphone. And now we got SuperVOOC indication also in the Realme device. And now we're going to check the charging speed. Okay. And right now, I'll try to show the charging speed. So right now it's charging with the speeds of 25 watts I'm getting, not bad. So 25 watt speed, the Realme phone is charging at this moment, 26 and 25 watts. So these exact speeds I'm getting in this device. So using with the default cable, I'm trying to charge it. Okay. So we charge this phone and What about the other phone? For example, let's take like Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. What happens with this phone? Okay, what speed? And we got super fast charging 2.0 activated. And right now it's like 85% anyway. It will not like charge faster when the battery percentage is higher. So the charging speed showing about like 21 watts. That's it, 29 and 19 watts, as you can see, not bad. So this is a overall test using with the default cable. Okay, now let's remove that. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the Type C to Type C cable and we'll try to check it. Let's see what happens. So this is the Type C to Type C cable. Now let's try to charge the POCO phone. Yes, it's showing straight away 67 watts. So it should be having like same speed as well. Even if you try to check with this reading, it should display like 55 watts. As you can see, the charging speed right now 42, 47, 49, 51, 52. So not bad. So using with the Type C to Type C also, you can actually charge it pretty good. So I think with this power bank, you should be able to charge the MacBook Air laptop as well. That's also a good advantage. So now let's check with the Realme device. What happens with the Realme? Charging speed right now, we are getting about 13, 14 watts, 15, 20. So normally with the default cable, it was like 25. And now also we're getting similar kind of test, 25. So we'll try to see what happens if we try to connect the different phone using this cable. Okay, let's check. So if I'm trying to connect like two phones, so right now it's showing like 25. If I try to connect the POCO phone at this moment, let's see what will be the charging speed. So the speed got reset. And in the POCO phone, it's not showing any kind of charging speed, like quick charge, nothing at all. Not even 67 watts, it's displaying nothing. Now the Realme phone charging slowly, like 6 watts. Nine watts, we are getting in the Realme phone, that's it. So when two phones are connected, this will be the charging speed. So this is a quick charging speed test, guys. So now let's try with another last thing, which is a USB port. So now let me do everything. Let's try with the USB port and let's check what happens. So this is a USB from the Redmi only. And now I'm connecting the USB cable. Let's see whether this will detect any kind of like 67 watts or not. So Me turbocharge. Okay, we got turbocharge indication using this USB port. So the charging speed is not that much fast. So I think it's slowly kind of adjusting at this moment. Right now it's 9 watts. You can see 9, 10, 11, 12. It's slowly increasing. So using with the USB, so it will not charge faster, definitely, the phone. So 17. So this is a quick information, guys, about the device. So in case if you're interested in the comparison videos, let me know in the comment section below. In the next upcoming videos, I'm going to do a lot of comparisons, but in the both power banks, testing out like which is a perfect power bank for you all. And I'm going to even test the complete charging and training test as well between the both power banks, like charging till 100% and testing out the capacity, how much the both power banks are. Because definitely both are like 20,000 mAh, but they are like different like build quality, different size and weight and everything. So I'm going to find out those interesting topics in the next upcoming videos. So stay tuned for more updates, guys. Thank you for watching. and see the next video, and bye.